mensagem.
Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi.
Alright, I'm back again. Yeah, I know I'm super late to make this one, but hey, better late than never, right? As you've already seen from the thumbnail, in today's video, we're gonna create this trending edit you've been seeing all over your feed. Now, you might ask, yo, what's so special about this edit? Well, nothing crazy special, but here's the twist. I'm gonna make this entire thing without using any pro effects on Capcut. So yeah, if you still don't wanna know, you can quit this tutorial. Okay, so before your lil brother calls your edit cringe again, let's get started. Now those editors who don't know how to make that dance edit, simply download this app. It's called Exal AI. It's basically a template-based app. Here you can find lots of dance and meme templates. In my case, I choose this one which is trending now. Now simply tap on Remix and add your desired picture. Make sure the pictures is clean and with full body. Like this. After uploading all 3 images, tap on Remix and it's done. You can download the video after it completes the creating. Now I mark the all beats using another video, which I already showed on my other videos, so I'm not going to make this video so long. You can check it out on I button. After this, add your Exal AI generated video here and follow my steps. I also created this video from Exal AI. Now add your clips and follow me up. Now we're gonna add microwave on this clips, which I showed many times. You can skip this part if you know. Do same with other clips. Make sure to apply microwave on clips according to beats. Now it takes lots of time to make, so let me cut the scene. So here's it looks like after applying microwave on recommended clips. Now it's time to add the shake, so follow my steps. For the first clip, add 3 keyframes on first, like this. Now go to basics position and drag down the y-axis up to 80 point accordingly. And to hide the black edges, go to background option and add blur. Now do the same thing with first key but in negative. After this, go to graph and apply these graphs on keys. Do the same with second clip, but this time you also need to add keys where first clip ends. Follow me up. This time you don't need to drag it to 80 point. 36 is enough. In simple terms, we need to make the clips bounce like this. Now after adding bounce effect, we're going to apply oblique blur and shake. So follow my steps. As you can see, this is called a perfect shake, and we don't even use any pro effect either, so do the same with all. Also, you can add white overlay to enhance the shake a little more. So this is after applying the shake to all clips. You can also add a short CC on it. I hope you like this tutorial well, and wait for a light motion tutorial.